All right, you guys, we just got the call that they wrecked the 720S. We're pulling up to the scene right now. We're gonna go over, survey the damages, get everybody's information, and we'll keep you guys posted. All right, guys, so to the damages. Don't look too bad, but you never know till we get it to the body shop. Beautiful car. So we're gonna get this car on the tow truck. See you guys at the body shop.
Subscribe for part 2.